Rights by Allie James.
The Bill of Rights is the first 10 amendments of the Constitution that were built to protect citizens' rights. The Anti-Federalists agreed to the Bill of Rights, however the Federalists did not. James Madison wanted to make the Bill of Rights one of the new government's first priorities. By December 1791, the Bill of Rights were passed. All 13 colonies, including Vermont, signed the Bill of Rights. The First Amendment addresses that Congress government cannot make a law that affects the establishment of your religion or stops you from practicing your religion or restricts you saying or publishing whatever you want like a newspaper or a book. The Second Amendment says that Congress cannot stop or restrict people from having and carrying weapons for their safety or in situations where they need to defend themselves. The Third Amendment addresses that unless there is a war or if Congress has passed a law, soldiers cannot live in someone else's house without the owner's permission. According to the Fourth Amendment, nobody can search your body, your house, papers, and things, or give a warrant unless they can prove to the judge that they have a strong reason to think you are guilty or have committed a crime. This amendment says that you cannot be tried or prosecuted for any crime without a prior grand jury meeting to decide whether there's enough evidence for a trial. If you are proved to be innocent by the jury, the government cannot try you a second time with another jury. You need not testify against yourself during the trial, and you cannot be killed or put in jail or fined unless you were declared guilty of a crime by a jury. Also, the government cannot take your house or your farm or anything that belongs to you unless the government pays for it. The Sixth Amendment addresses the actual trial procedure, in which if you are arrested you are allowed to have a speedy and public trial by a jury of ordinary people from your area. You have the right to know what you are accused of, to face the people who are witnesses against you, and to have the government help you get witnesses on your side or in your defense. According to this amendment, you have the right to a trial by jury if it is a civil case, a law case between two or more people with an issue which is more than $20. This amendment addresses that the government cannot ask you to pay more than what is reasonable in bail or in fines. Also, cruel and unusual punishments or tortures can't be imposed on you even if you are guilty of a crime. This amendment says that details of these rights, which are outlined or listed in the Constitution, cannot be considered or interpreted in a way to have or deny others their rights. Finally, the last amendment addresses that anything the Constitution doesn't say or other laws that aren't governed or prohibited by the Constitution, which Congress can do, should be done by the states or its people.